Police people don't come outside, they don't begin protest. Say they never pay them salary. Hey, I haven't say now only people where they work government work. Now this one they happen to. I don't know, say don't they enter inside police people. We gotta say the counter-terrorism unit of the police force. Now then come outside, they talk this one. Say no be even about the salary where they owe them. See as it be, they don't refuse to repost them. Say in fact, when they call them for this work, they talk say na only 3 months. Then these people they won't use their brain and I go die there inside that Katsina. So they talk say this war where they won't go fight now just 3 months before they go see. 7 months on they pass, they no green move them. Say now what say the thing don't tire them. Now all of them come outside now. Come begin protest. My people I beg, make now follow me watch.
Yes. Not that I'm happy to be in Canada, but I'm happy to partake in this peaceful protest. We are tired of empty promise. Yeah, man. I want just give a politics before we take off that to this Katsina. But very surprised. Over 2 months now. Politics and politics. That's all about deliver. Politics and politics. I'm playing with our going. No allowance.
It be like say this Katsina people they want me they grow grey hair for you. Because how person go there they work for now. Salary in a no go pay. Repose themselves in a no go do. What it come be the need? But I beg this one when are they doing? What it come be the unnecessary shooting when are they shoot for? They go carry in a go war front, now that day in a bullet go finish. But see now they do a protest. Now they just they waste bullets for no reason. Protect life with this gun and I no go use and do anything. And I beg this one when they talk say no allowance, no market, I never understand the English. What do you mean I beg? See I beg if they no pay on and no go protect lives and which one because normally say no they do anything. I make na no forget say because of one police self they among. When people come outside for like say they protest now they still use again, still pursue them these people. So I beg this one when I come outside they complain. Who in I want make it support on? Because this protest now, if say now even normal people come outside they protest, now go don't say they go don't carry police say make them no protest. But now police now they protest by themselves. Nobody reason and say okay, make they go arrest them. I bet who come be the hoodlums now? They go they try say hoodlums. Who come be the hoodlums? Because now police now they set up this whole thing. The people shall don't come outside say make their governor, Katsina governor, Ami Subelo, I be waiting be name. Say make come outside, come find something to do about this their matter. Say the 7 months, it don't even they pass. The 3 months, it don't they pass. Money, they no see. Nothing where they see. And the reason from these people say voice inside. Maybe this money they pay them, now they use to take care of their family. Now they use to take care of their children and everybody. So as they don't give them this money now, it will come be like say they don't do on the losing side. What they fight money where they know they see. So I reason all this one self feel and say okay, then these people say they don't they suffer. Maybe now wait to make this one self come outside. So Katsina governor being a commissioner making a try do something about this matter. Make no come be say one day go they hear say kidnapping they happen in a call police say they know they go. So make I put the necessary things now in place. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come making a service now here waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write down for the comment section. Make not also forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video. Wahala be like Nigeria. Our Nigerian soldiers, they don't go land inside one kind crash. We gotta say then these soldiers, they hear say okay, Boko Haram, they attack for one kind place inside Borno State. Now then these people gather up, kit up before they go see. They don't begin the rush. This rush not be even about the if you see speed. If you see, then this one they think in a fast and furious they act. Speed where then these people carry before we go see motor don't go some assault. If you see this thing in a self go surprise. Inside this Nigeria, and this one self they happen. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
You can see the military going to give reinforcements. Jesus.
Jesus. It's a terrible accident that just occurred.
And I don't say this speed no even dey necessary at all. Nigeria be say the road, people even dey manage am. Before you go even pass one pothole, belle don disturb you 3 times. Now person come raise the thing at speed. Now you want dey carry on top of this road. And now they do gra because me I feel say they know say people dey camera them. Now me they come they do gra on top of camera. So that people go say Nigerian soldiers they work oh. But this crash I hope say nobody die. Because we know all these soldier people, person where they drive. People go hang for back. They know they get chair where be say person go even sit down inside the motor. Now hanging. So the way where this motor don some assault, I just they pray. Some people will not come here say some soldiers don't die. But this driver self na reckless driver. Because say you be army no mean so you carry your DH. You dey drive, you can't go dey misbehave for road. Where you know say you carry people. And all these our soldiers they make them even talk. And now they go attack after 2 hours. Where Boko Haram don't run. Where they don't go finish, that time I can't gara mora. One can they form or DH, eyin by eyin, and I won't go there. Say I won't go they fight. And now for Kuku just sit down. Sit down for her because the time when they go, the people don't already come out. So what can be the need? And I beg my people if now they see. If say na civilian, one kind normal person and I drive with this kind speed. The kind slap where this soldier forgive your head go do even rotate. But them now they do nobody they complain. They know they even see them say this one where they do even they wrong. But we say if say then these people say drive slow. Go this speed now we go still complain say they're too slow. But this speed is too much I beg. If I want drive, make na drive with caution because this one way na go they do now. When we say the thing don't go land into crush and no even know what we want to. Because the attack when they even go for self, it don't even finish. I can't even reason and say it be like another set up even there here. Maybe they no cause this accident so that they don't go face war. Because now no all this our Nigerian people, they feel they lazy. The army feel they fear for in life. They can't reason and say, make we do one kind 4119 so that they don't go send those go. But I beg go make na they limit time. Now go fight war. Make na take on our time. Now never reach war ground. Now already they die. Wetin I wan come go there go do? Naija na just cruise country. My people, I hear this one. I want to make I bring am. Make na service na here. Yeah, wetin dey happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. Anything when I like, make na don't forget to write am for the comment section. Make na no also forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.